Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul and healthy for the body. Good morning and have a blessed day ahead. This is Chinod Islamia School and College, Faisalabad, and I am Asra Gulzar. Beta, I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. My shining stars, our today's topic again is application writing. So today again we are gonna revise the concept, the format of application writing. So before starting our topic, let's discuss SLOs of today's lecture. Beta, by the end of this lecture, you will be able to create the application by yourself. Today we are gonna write application on another topic. So first of all, let's discuss format of application writing. Beta, this is the format of application in front of you. As we have discussed the format of application in previous lectures, today we will just revise the format and the steps of application writing. But this is the format. While writing the application, you will follow this format. I told you in previous lecture that subject of the application and date will be changed according to the topic of the application. This is just for a sample. You will follow it, but subject, you will write the subject according to the topic of the application. So this is how you will write the application. This is the correct format or correct way of writing the application. The principal T will be capital, principal P will be capital, and after that you will put comma. Then you will write the name of the school, Chinod Islamia School and College. C will be capital of Chinod Islamia, I will be capital, school S will be capital, and you will write the complete spellings of and. You will not just put the sign of and. Okay, you will write the complete spellings of and. Then college C will be capital, after that you will put comma. Then you will write the name of city on next line, and the first letter of the city name will be capital like Faisalabad, and at the end you will put full stop. Then on next line you will write subject. Subject, I told you that it will be changed according to the application. This is just for your understanding. I have written here application for sick leave, and you will change the subject according to the application. Then on next line you will write respected madam, R will be capital, M will be capital, and after that you will put comma. And then on next line you will leave some space, and after that where the madam is ending, from where you will start writing the application. With due respect, it is stated that in the body, this is the body, in the body you will write the purpose of writing the application, the reason of writing the application. At the closing you will write yours obediently, Y will be capital, O will be small, and then comma. Then on the same line where you are writing yours obediently, you will write the date of the day. But again, this is just this date is just for a sample. You will write the date on which day you are writing the application. Here are two formats of application, two formats of date. You can follow any of one. Okay, beta. Then on next line you will write XYZ, and XYZ will be capital. There is no need to put any full stop between XYZ. Beta, one thing more, if you are sending the application to the school, you are not fine, you are not well, or you are going to attend any ceremony, and you are sending the application to the school, you want leave for some days, then you will write your name here. Okay, then you will write instead of XYZ you will write your name, and you will mention your class, section, and your roll number. But if you are writing the application in exam, you will not mention your name, you will just mention XYZ. Okay, so here are 5 steps of application writing. We have discussed it in detail in previous lecture. Addressing application, where you write the address of the person to whom you are writing application. Subject of the application, here you write the subject. I told you that subject will be changed according to the application body, where you write the purpose, the reason of writing the application. Thanking note, in thanking note you write, I shall be thankful to you for this act of kindness, for this favor, whatever the words you want to use, you may use. Closing, again in closing you write, yours obediently, date and XYZ. This is just for a sample, beta. Date and subject will be changed according to the application. Date will change according to a day and subject according to the application. So beta, you will follow all these 5 steps we have discussed in detail in previous lecture. So you will follow these steps while writing the application. My dear students, today you are going to write application for school living certificate. Okay, you will write the application to the principal for school living certificate, but this is just a sample application. You may use your own words. It will be better if you write application by yourself in your own words by using your own idea. But you will write it on your notebook. So before writing the application, you will first of all mention the index. So today's index is, you will mention today's date, and index is application to the principal for certificate. You will write the index, and then you will come on your classwork. You will write this classwork or homework, whatever. This is your home assignment. So you will write it you will write date and day on the page, and then you will mention the topic, and then you will start writing the application. But at this I'm again saying that this is just a sample application. You may write the same or you may create by yourself, and it is better if you write application by yourself. This is your home task, but I write an application to the principal for school living certificate on notebook. You will write this application on notebook. Hopefully the SLO is achieved now and you are able to write application by yourself. But you will write the application on notebook, and then you will inbox me. I'll check your homework. Beta, that's all about today. If you have any question, any query, you may discuss with me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.